It's Mother's Day today. It's time to surprise Mama.
Let's start by cleaning our room and wrapping up our present.
And then let's make a special breakfast in bed for Mama.
I'll start by folding these clothes neatly. This one is next.
In you go. Now for the basketball. Let me polish my school shoes. Let me organize these books properly. Step 1, clean room. Done and dusted.
Let's wrap up Mom's present now.
She'll love it.
I'll make pancakes for Mama.
I'll make a delicious fruit salad.
Here's the kitchen.
Let's begin.
Everything's kept so high up.
How will we get the ingredients? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I'll go wake up Papa. Papa, wake up.
What happened, sweetie? Is everything okay?
Papa, we need a little help, please.
Sure, dear. I'll be right there.
Time to cook. Over my head. Tie it up tight. Let me grab some fresh fruit.
Look at my new apron. I can cook now. I'm all ready. Here's the pancake recipe I got from Aunt Rena. Let me get the ingredients. I got the milk and eggs. Now we can make pancakes. Papa, could you please grab the sugar from that shelf?
Sure, sweetie.
Thank you.
Let me cut the fruit into small pieces carefully. These strawberries are so soft and juicy. Papa, could you please give me the salad dressing?
Here you go.
Thanks, Papa.
Papa, how come Mother's Day is celebrated on a different date every year?
That's a great question. Mother's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. Since the date of Sunday changes every year, the exact date also changes. But it is always on a Sunday.
Time for the spice powder. And now the delicious salad dressing.
Excited to make the pancakes, sweetie?
Yes. Flour, eggs, butter, sugar, milk, measuring spoons. We have everything we need. In you go. Papa, could you please help me crack the eggs?
Of course, sweetie.
Now, it's time for sugar and milk. It's going to be yummy. Mix, mix, mix. It looks so smooth. Papa, could you please turn on the gas stove for me?
Of course, sweetie. There you go.
Let's pour the batter. Now we wait for the bubbles. Time to flip it. Wait. Yay, all done.
My fruit salad is ready.
Let's garnish the pancakes. Perfect. These pancakes look delicious. Mama will be so happy. Your fruit salad looks so colorful.
The pancakes look so fluffy and delectable.
Well done, my little champs. Mama will be delighted.
Let's go to Mama, now.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my loves.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. We love you, Mama.
Oh, thank you, my darlings.
Mama, we made special breakfast in bed.
This one's for you, Mama.
Everything tastes incredible.
Yay!
Oh, this is so beautiful. We got it from our pocket money, Mama.
Mama, we made these for you.
Oh, these are so beautiful. I love them. I love you both, my sweethearts. You mean the world to me. Thank you so much for the wonderful presents. You made my day.
Oh, so no one's going to mention that I helped?
Of course you did, dear. Time for a group hug.
I love my family. If you like spending time with us, please subscribe and we'll see you soon.